Hi everybody, this is a oil painting demo of a bird of prey, a saker. I painted this for Carmarthenshire Falconry, and they've got a really good website where you can have birds of prey experiences. They do weddings, talks and demonstrations, film and TV. There's a link in the description below to their website, so it's worth checking out if you're interested in birds of prey. I've never painted a bird of prey before, so it was quite challenging, and I do this in two parts. So first part, I'm trying to get everything in the right place, all the markings, and it's really important to get the markings correct on these birds, and that's the first pass. And then I go over the painting again and render it and take each area to a finish. I use a limited colour palette and I use liquin as the paint medium. I did have to use some phthalo blue for the beak, and it's amazing that in nature how vibrant the colours are, so I had to use a strong blue to get that colour. And just to let you know, I've got a Patreon channel, Paul Anthony Barker Art. If you go to patreon.com, and there's a longer version of this painting along with lots of other demonstration paintings, teaching videos if you're interested in learning to paint. And once again, thanks for watching and thanks for your support, and I'll see you on the next video.